is Heidi Caswell, WordPress 101 for Boomers. As we've been learning about putting together our WordPress sites, a lot of times there are tools that we can use that can help us. And one of the favorite tools I have is called Gimp. Now Gimp is a photo editing tool. It helps you edit and crop photos, make them the size that you want. It does a lot of things. It's sort of like, much like Photoshop. It's a free program, open source. Um, Free to use. If you have any other graphic program that you're familiar with that you'd like to use, go ahead and use that. If you'd like to try something else, go ahead and try GIMP out. I'm going to show you how to go ahead. I got GIMP loaded up here, and we are adding a picture. Open image. Let's scroll this on up here. Okay, and I have an image here. As you can see, if I go on the view, this image is only 18% its full size. It's a lot bigger than that, but this is a good size for me to work with. It just automatically puts the picture in one that fits the screen size, which is kind of cool. Now we're going to go ahead and see about cropping. Sometimes you'll have a picture that you want to use, but maybe it's got some extra stuff, and it may be a little bit better picture if you crop it some. So you're going to go ahead, and I guess you can either go over the toolbars or over here down on tools. But we're going to go over there, and what looks like the X-Acto knife, that's a crop tool. Click on it, and then it gives you you can just put that on your screen. Cut it down like you want. And make it a little bit taller to the top. And just click on it. And there it's cropped, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and save it so I can find it. Well, I'm going to wait, not save it yet. I'm going to change the size. A lot of the pictures straight out of your camera are quite large to go on a website. Websites have smaller, and you need a smaller picture. Now WordPress does a good job of shrinking down your pictures to another size to put on there. But I found that if I'm already in the editing program, I go ahead and shrink it down myself through Gimp. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it would look like full size. Because even after we cropped it some, and as you can see, it is quite large there. I can move around on the screen. It's hard to see the whole picture to work with. I think it's kind of cool look in the middle of that. I may go back and crop my image some more. Let me try cropping it again. I'm not sure I like it. There's also an undo button if you wish. Quickest way to undo is hit Control D. Then we're going to go ahead and go back to scaling the image. That'll be along the top. You're going to go to Image, click on Scale Image. Now, to keep it so it's not warping the picture, undo the chain and put the width here. On my WordPress sites, a lot of times I like to have the width about 550, and then I just hit Enter. I want to have it set the same size though. Not wanting a warped image, I'm going to go ahead and keep the chain unbroken. Automatically does that. Hit the scale. The image is shrunk. It really is larger than that. It's just that it's still at 18%. Now I'm going to go ahead and save it. Go to File, and you want to go Save As. Give it a name you can remember and a place that you can remember. I gave it a name, a descriptive name, and 550 for like the width, so I can remember that it's a smaller version of it. And I'm going to save it. Hit another Save button. And now my image is ready to be added into WordPress. Heidi Caswell, WordPress 101 for Boomers.